I'm Kyle Van Hookey. Today I'm going to show how to replace the ignition coil on a lawnmower. As we all know, a lawnmower mows lawns, cuts grass. So what I'm going to do is first off remove this red cover. I'm going to take this oil cap out of here in order to lift this cover off. I will be disconnecting the spark plug wire so we don't have any issues there. I also drained the gas tank. I'm also going to lift it off and remove it. What that'll do is reveal a black cover called a blower cover, which I will then remove. Once I get that off there, it will show the ignition coil, which is what I'm replacing. So here goes. So as you can see here, we have an ignition coil, which is this thing, also known as a magneto. I'm going to disconnect the ground wire to it. And so how this mechanism works is when you pull the string on this mower, it spins this spindle in here, which is attached to these teeth inside this top of this crank, and spins this guy around. So what you'll see here is a couple magnets. These magnets pass over the magnets on the coil, which create an electric field and send energy down this spark plug wire, which creates spark in the spark plug. That ignites fuel, which then moves a piston, which then in turn spins this on its own without you having to pull the string anymore. So in order to replace the coil, take a 1/4 inch socket, and I'm not going to remove it, but you remove both of these screws, lift it off, put your new one on, and then you need to set the gap. This gap needs to be at 0.010 of an inch. You could do that with a feeler gauge if you want. I found that the best way to do that is with a business card. So what you do is you stick that business card in here, you spin your crank over to where you're at. Now you have good connection. Yeah. Okay, lift your card out, plug your ground wire back in, and then you can put it all back together. All right, there you have it. Now I'm going to start it up.